Let's continue by solving the inequality that you see at the top of this page. And remember, this is called a compound inequality because we have basically our x term in the middle and two numbers on either side. So the first thing that I want to do is I'm isolating my x term. Let me subtract 4 from all three parts. And that gives me -6 is less than or equal to -3x, which is less than or equal to -2. Now, what do we need to divide by in order to solve this inequality? We need to divide by a -3. And if you will remember in inequalities solutions, if you divide by a negative number, or if you multiply by a negative number, you need to reverse the direction of the inequality. So we're going to have 2, -6 divided by -3 is greater than or equal to x, which is greater than or equal to 2/3. Now, before we write this in interval notation, the smaller number must be on the left. So I am going to rewrite this as x is between 2/3 and 2. And notice the arrows. Here this says x is less than or equal to 2. That's what this says right here. This says x is greater than or equal to 2/3. That's what that says right there. So if you switch it where the smaller number is on the left, you'll again change the signs back. So in set notation, that would be the set of all x such that two-thirds is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. Our interval notation would be bracket 2/3 to 2. And our graph would look like that. Now, if one of these symbols would have been a less than, or if both of them would be a less than and not a less than or equal to, we would have used parentheses instead of brackets.